Hi everyone! Guys, welcome to our channel. So today, gagawa kami ng vlog ni Janella about ref tour. So, ito na yung ref namin sa bahay. 2 doors lang siya, guys. Simple for a family of 6. Actually, kasama si mama at si papa, bali 8 kami sa bahay. Maliit lang siya, but it's okay. So, I have here my ref magnets. Aloha! I love Hawaii. Waikiki and Honolulu. So, obvious naman, guys, that I'm based here in Honolulu, Hawaii. These are all my collections. Leave me a comment if you like that. So, I have magnets here. And then, ito yung drawings ng baby girl ko sa akin. Okay, so I have dumplings here. Favorite ito ni Janella. Easy lang siya. Dito lang. Vegetables, lumpia. Masarap to, guys. Especially with sweet chili sauce. So I have fish and pork here. And over here we have chicken legs, and then whole chicken. Barbecue, adobo, or prito. Simple lang. And I have hamburger patty. Okay, so tinanggal ko na lang yung iba para makita yung sa likod. Okay, so unahin ko siya sa likod. So I have longanisa here, sweet longanisa. I have oxtail, and then ito shrimp. Ako magluluto ng shrimp. I will cook garlic buttered shrimp. Hopefully I'll share you the recipe. Ito, I have Dungeness crab. Sobrang laki. Yeah, look, it's a crab. Masarap to siya sa ginataan. Tapos, I have dumplings. Microwavable siya. And I have wingdings. So, I have also here on the side. Bale, chicken, I think marinated already with flour. Easy access lang siya, guys. Favorite ng anak ko si Janella. Almost every other night, magpiprito kami niyan. So, I have ice cream here.
I want ice cream. I want ice cream. I want ice cream. I want ice cream.
Okay. So, I have hot pockets here. Only have 3 left na lang. Naubos na nila. Microwavable din siya, guys. I think I have the pepperoni pizza flavor. So, I have chocolate, pralines, and of course, chocolate plus Kit Kat. That's it for the freezer. Okay, ito naman yung baba. We keep a lot of eggs here in the house kasi balik comfort food namin. Fried egg, scrambled egg, boiled egg. Halos every day. And besides, I like to make desserts. I have milk, orange juice, water, and then we have cream cheese for dipping sa chip with salsa. Masarap siya, guys. Ginagamit ko rin siya pag gumagawa ako ng cheesecake kasi favorite ng mga bata yung cheesecake. So I have water. And we have favorite chocolate milk ng mga bata, yung organic reduced fat chocolate milk. Capri-Sun. Meron din namang prutas, guys. So, okay, I have here strawberry. Almost gana siya kasi naubos na ng oldest daughter ko, si Janae. She always use this to strawberry shake, strawberry banana smoothie.
I want soda. Soda.
Yeah, soda. So I have grapes, favorite ni mama. And I have papaya. Corn here too, para sa oxtail soup namin. Of course, guys, may salad din naman. Dito naman, we have cherry tomato, spinach, kasi gagawa daw yung asawa ko ng balatong. Okay. And here, I have mushrooms for egg omelette daw. Gagawa sila bukas. Tsaka more water underneath there. Okay, dito naman sa side, guys, I have butter, more butter, cheese, sliced na siya, ready to, ano ba yan? Easy access sa mga bata. Mas madali nilang kunin, you know, ilagay sa bread, toast it, and good to go. Tapos, ito, so cute. I have, ube flavor. I have 3 of those. Kasi madali siyang maubos sa store. So, I bought a lot for me. Tapos, may langka, pandan. Just in case na magluluto ako ng desserts, I have the ingredients already. Especially those. So, I have strawberry jelly. Merong coconut jam.
Mommy.
Merong ube.
How about that, Mommy?
Okay. And this is halo-halo. May bisita ako dito. Hi, what's your name? What's your name? You wanna do it for me?
No.
Okay, ano yan? What is that? Pepsi? Okay, ano yan? What is that? Orange juice? Orange?
Yeah.
And then, what else? Pineapple, orange. Okay, dito naman sa have a lot of this sauce galing sa fast food, guys. To, bring home ng mga anak ko. So I have ranch. I know I have ketchup. Oh my god, may sour cream pa siya. Ranch, different kind ranch, barbecue, hot sauce, and ketchup. And I have sour cream inside. Tapos dito naman yung Pepsi, my favorite drink. And then Hawaiian juice, favorite ng mga bata. Pa-ibang flavor, guys. So I have orange, aloha orange. I like this one, guava nectar, and I think pineapple orange. Okay, sa baba naman, I have ranch dressing para sa salad. I have brown sugar para sa ano ni Mama, biko niya. Pancake syrup. And ito yung sinasabi ko, guys. Good with cream cheese, salsa.
Mommy.
I have this guacamole salsa also. Binili to ng asawa ko. Sweet relish here. Tira to ni Mama eh. Kasi she made embutido. Ito naman is strawberry syrup. Lately, ito na yung paborito ng mga bata. Kasi siya na do-it-yourself shave ice. So I only have strawberry syrup flavor here, pero it comes with a lot of flavor. My raspberry, I think my almond, my caramel, iba't ibang lasa, but masarap siya pag nilagay mo ng vanilla ice cream. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Aloha!
Thanks for watching.